Okay, Sounds of Decay 3 is the new album from Leper Colony, Those of the Morbid. Of all the dozens of bands that feature one Rogga Johansson, from Ghoul House to Final Corpse, from Severed Limbs to Ribspreader, the debut from the German Swedish old school death metal moniker Leper Colony found a special place in our skin diseased hearts back in 2023 with the self titled debut. Now upgraded to a four-piece, complete with second Swedish guitarist Håkan Stuvemark, the Colony is all abuzz once again.
9 songs span a scant 33 minutes, packed to the gills with thrilling riff exercises, endless stunt guitar leads, and vocalist Marc Grewe's glorious obituary-adjacent vocal style. They go a long way to prove that the quality of the debut was everything but a fluke. Plus, take a look at the resumes of these 4 players. It seems like all of them juggle a minimum of a dozen projects at a time in true Rogga Johansson fashion.
Opening single, Facing the Faceless, wastes no time taking off on a thrash pace set by stickman John Rudin. This one was a grower for me. I couldn't get into it the first couple of times with its Exodus-style chorus, but it did win me over in due time, and no smart due to the way the song hits a fifth gear in the second half to set up ear candy leads from Johansson and Stuvemark. These two are really onto something special together. Here's a little bit of Facing the Faceless. Facing the Faceless! Facing the Faceless!
The Age of Insanity had me from Jump Street, much more in tune with a debut. 3 fantastic riff patterns flash by to set up the first vocal. Harmonies swoon deliciously as Grewe delivers the chorus. Enter the reality will bring us disparity. Welcome now with us, the Age of Insanity. What follows is another step into the massive obit-informed arsenal of riffs, chugging like mad and setting up another dreamy set of solos. Would you consider us to be those of Morbid Inclination? Hey, you're not the only one rooting for the disembowelers in The Last of Us. But at any rate, this is another one of the album's stronger cuts, showcasing some mind-boggling wah pedal skills from this all-conquering guitar duo, and the chorus sort of reminds me of King Foley and Deceased, the way he delivers it.
Well, there you have it. The Colony are officially 2 for 2. Here's hoping this exciting collective continues to expand their horizons and perhaps get the tour going that could bring them to the Yankland at some point. It would be nice to tell Rogga how much we enjoy his guitar playing. From Mega Scavenger to Monstrous, from To Descend to Severed Limbs. Well, you get the idea. Let's close it out with Those of Morbid Inclination.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.